Welcome to Career Sneak Peek. If you're loving what we do here, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. We're excited to have you here. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of a sales development representative, SDR. Ever wondered what an SDR does? Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of this role and the essential soft skills needed for success. A sales development representative, SDR, is a crucial member of the sales team, focused on generating and qualifying leads for the sales pipeline. They play a pivotal role in driving business growth. But what makes this role stand out? Let's find out. The starting salary for an SDR typically falls within the $50,000 range. However, the real potential lies in the unlimited commission for each qualified lead generated. As for difficulty, this entry-level sales position carries a moderate rating of 2 out of 5 stars. Most companies prefer candidates with a 4-year college degree. Being an SDR can be challenging, with a stress rating of 3 out of 5 stars. There's considerable pressure to produce results. However, if you excel in this role, the career advancement opportunities are often quick. On the job satisfaction front, it rates a solid 3 out of 5 stars. Now, let's delve into the essential soft skills that make an SDR successful. Strong communication skills are vital for SDRs. They need to articulate their message clearly, actively listen to prospects, and adapt their communication style to different individuals and situations. Effective communication builds rapport, conveys value, and helps overcome objections. Persuasion and influencing skills are key. SDRs must understand the prospect's needs, address objections, and convincingly demonstrate the value proposition of the product or service. Active listening is a must. By paying full attention to prospects, SDRs gather valuable information, build rapport, and tailor their sales approach to specific requirements. Empathy plays a significant role. Understanding and empathizing with prospects' challenges and concerns build trust, allowing SDRs to address pain points effectively and offer solutions that truly resonate. Strong time management skills are crucial as SDRs juggle multiple tasks such as prospecting, calls, emails, and pipeline management. Prioritization, meeting deadlines, and maintaining productivity are key. Resilience is a must-have trait. SDRs face rejection and setbacks, but resilient individuals bounce back, stay motivated, and persevere in the face of challenges. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential. Adaptability is vital in dynamic sales environments. SDRs need to be flexible and open to change, whether it's sales strategies, market conditions, or product/service updates. Adaptability ensures they stay effective in evolving situations. Building strong relationships with prospects and internal stakeholders is paramount. Trust, nurturing connections, and fostering long-term relationships are key for successful SDRs. Problem-solving skills enable SDRs to think critically, find creative solutions, and address prospect concerns effectively. Lastly, being a team player and collaborating effectively with colleagues contribute to overall sales success. SDRs often work closely with sales representatives, marketing teams, and other stakeholders. Now, let's take a look at the main duties of an SDR. SDRs proactively identify potential customers or leads through various methods such as cold calling, email outreach, social media prospecting, and leveraging lead generation tools. They research prospects to understand their needs and pain points. SDRs evaluate and qualify leads based on factors like budget, purchasing authority, and alignment with the product or service. This ensures they focus on the most viable prospects. They initiate contact with leads through phone calls, emails, or other communication channels, aiming to engage prospects, introduce the product or service, and generate interest for further conversations. SDRs schedule appointments or demos between qualified leads and the sales representatives or account executives, ensuring a smooth transition for the sales team. Collaboration with the sales team is crucial. SDRs share insights and information from prospect interactions, collaborate on strategies to improve lead qualification, and align efforts to achieve sales targets. Accurate database management is essential. SDRs maintain up-to-date records of leads, prospect interactions, and relevant data in the Customer Relationship Management (CRM) system. This provides valuable insights for tracking progress and analyzing trends. The career path for an SDR often starts as an entry-level role, and with success, you can advance to positions like account manager, account executive. sales director, and even reach the pinnacle as a chief revenue officer, CRO, or CEO of a company. And there you have it. We've explored the fascinating world of a sales development representative. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights into the role and the essential skills needed to succeed. If you have any other careers you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.